And I want to know, Taoiseach, is it yourself, the Minister for Justice, or Minister for Ross, is ordering all the checkpoints? People are checked going to Mass, they're checked coming from Mass. And I'm not blaming the Garda, or indeed I'm not blaming individual superintendents, because it's across different divisions, it's across county boundaries. And is it a way that he wants to close the churches now as well as the post offices? Mostly everything else closed. I suppose he wants to close the churches as well in rural Ireland. Many people are very angry and upset what has happened. They feel they are let down, that they can't move, they are isolated, bars are empty, more are closing like wildfire, shops and restaurants beside them are closing also. For many, 2 points was their only social outlet to talk about farming, work, football, or to inquire about the health of neighbours or relatives that live maybe far away from them. The only usual conversation and the culture of the rural people is being blown to smithereens, and it was at your behest trying to satisfy Minister Ross.
Thank you. Taoiseach.
Very much, Deputy. I think we shouldn't forget that the purpose of the Road Traffic Bill, now the Road Traffic Act, was to save lives. It used to be the case in this country that 600 or 700 people every day, or every year rather, would die on our roads. That figure now is between 1 and 200, but that's still between 1 and 200 too many. And you and I have met the families of people who have been killed on the roads, and you know how that hurts a whole family, and how a whole family grieves for the person lost on the road or killed on the road. And particularly again at this time of year, it's that empty space around the dinner table that people are thinking about. And that's the purpose of our road traffic legislation. It's not to discommode people, it's not to make their lives difficult to lead, it's to make our roads safer.